Hello, I'm Superintendent Brian McDonald. I want to share with you our latest development as of today, Friday, March 13, as conditions continue to change daily. Because of the widening concerns about the coronavirus, all Pasadena Unified School District schools will be closed from March 16th through April 5th. We are taking this major step to protect our students, staff, families, and community. Our staff will report to work on Monday, March 16th, but no students will be present. This includes all schools and programs in Pasadena Unified, including children's centers, preschools, grades TK through 12, and our adult school. All our schools will undergo a deep cleaning during the closure period. Staff will continue to report to their assigned work locations until notified otherwise by the district. Schools will reopen for students on April 6, barring any further developments. Instruction will continue during the closure period, and accommodations are being made for students with disabilities. We are preparing instruction in 3 phases: standards-based general content packets via PowerSchool Learning that will be live on Monday, digital push-out with more content using PowerSchool Online classrooms, and distance learning with two-way flow of work between students and teachers is in development in case it is needed. We will be sending additional information about services for students with disabilities this weekend. School meals will continue to be provided for students starting Tuesday, March 17th. Locations are posted at PUSD.us. We have set up a hotline, and the number is 626-396-3680. Our dedicated staff is working very hard to support our students and families. I thank you for your patience and understanding as we go through this very difficult time. Please stay safe.